Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to explain AFL India Quarter 3 Financial 21 results. We are going to discuss consolidated results. Here, amount in millions. We are going to discuss year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. AFL India business is not dependent on seasons, so we need to give importance for year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter. First, revenue from operations. In previous year December, they got 94 crores. This year, December, 150 crores revenue. It was increased from 94 crores to 150 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here, revenue was increased 59% year on year. This is very good figure. Later, other income. It was decreased from 1.7 crores to 1.4 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later, expenses. So, first one is inventory and data cost. It was increased from 54 crores to 87 crores. Later, employee benefit expenses. It was increased from 6.9 crores to 16 crores. That means approximately 160% employee benefit expenses increased. We need to check employee benefit expenses due to employee salaries or management salaries. This is very important. Why means here it was increased from 6 crores to 16 crores. That is very high. Later, finance cost. Previous year they paid 40 lakhs. This year 90 lakhs. That means interest was increased from 40 lakhs to 90 lakhs. It was doubled. But here they are paying only 90 lakhs interest. So this is very less. So we'll conclude that AFL India contains low debt. Later, depreciation. Previous year 3.1 crore. This year 5 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later, other expenses. Previous year 5.3 crores. This year 8.8 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later, profit before tax. Previous year they got 25 crores. This year they got 33 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Profit before tax was increased 32.7% year on year. This is good figure. Later, tax expense. Current tax previous year 3.9 crores. This year 3.1 crore. We'll ignore this one. Later, net profit for the period. Previous year they got 21 crores. This year 30.6 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 43% year on year increase. What we observed based on year results is here revenue was increased 59% year on year, but profit before tax was increased from 32.7% year on year. We need to find the reason. Here employee benefit expense was increased from 6 crores to 16 crores. Due to this one, profit before tax was decreased. Later, here profit before tax is 32.7%, but profit after tax is 43%. Here profit after tax was increased. Why means here they paid less tax, due to that one profit after tax was high. Later, here paid up equity share capital. Previous year 25.4 crores. This year also 25.4 crores. That means they did not dilute the equity. Later, earning per share. Previous year 8 rupees 60 pice. This year 12 rupees 4 pice. Here approximately 4 rupees was increased. This is positive side. Now check quarter on quarter. That means September results with December results. In September they got 134 crores. This quarter 150 crores. Here 16 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 11.5% quarter on quarter revenue was increased. Later, profit before tax. Previous quarter 30 crores. This quarter 33 crores. Here 3 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 12.4% quarter on quarter increased. Later, net profit for the period. Previous quarter 26 crores. This quarter 30 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 13.7% quarter on quarter increase. What we understood based on these results is here AFL India got good year on year results, but quarter on quarter results are medium. Now we'll discuss valuation of AFL India. Here PE before results is 128. PE after result is 116. Here it was decreased from 128 to 116. That is 12 points. This is good sign. Pros are good year-on-year results. Cons are overvalued based on current PE. Current PE is 116, so this is high PE. So FL India currently overvalued range. So finance cost increase. FL India finance cost increased from 40 lakhs to 90 lakhs in December quarter. Conclusion is fundamentally FL India is good, but currently it is in overvalued range. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.